29, it is cosine to the power 4. And as you remember, there is no rule for cosine to the power 4. But I can write it like this. Cosine to the power of 2x all to the power of 2 dx equal integration. Cosine squared is in here. You can write it inside the bracket. It is half bracket 1 plus cosine double the angle squared. Okay, dx. I forgot to add one more bracket. It has to be done like that. Okay? Equal. This half will come here and here. Half squared is going to be 1 over 4, and I will let it be out the integration. And 1 plus cosine to x all squared can be opened by using smiley face, right? It will be 1. It is 1 plus 2 cosine to x plus cosine squared to x, right? Dx equal 1 over 4 integration 1 plus 2 cosine to x. I didn't change all of these. The quarter, the 1, the 2 to x plus cosine squared. I will also use the same rule. Rule number 1. It will be half bracket 1 plus cosine 4x. 4x, right? Why 4x? Just a minute. Why 4x? Because the angle was 2x. We double it. We double it. Okay, خلاص. Now everything can be integrated. So it's going to be 1 over 4 bracket. Integration of 1 is x plus, what is the integration of 2 cosine 2x? It is 2. Cosine 2x is sine 2x over 2, right? Plus half, what is the integration of 1? It is x plus sine 4x over 4. All of that plus c. Right? It is plus c. Sine 3x. Sine to the power of 3x. When the power is odd, how can we do that? How can we do that? C. We all know that the sine to the power of 3 can be written as sine x sine squared x dx. Is that true? Is that true?
Yes.
Okay, good. Equal integration sine x. Okay, I need you to see from this rule cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. Can't I make the sign subject by taking cosine squared to the other side. So sine squared is going to be 1 minus cosine squared x. Was it clear for you?
Yeah. Teacher. ليش ما استعملنا الهاف 1 plus cosine يعني؟
Okay, good. It's really nice question. I expected one of you to ask me why didn't we use this? Let me just move one more step and it will be clear for you. It will be clear for you. See, now I will open the bracket. I will expand everything. Sine x by 1 is sine x minus sine x by cosine squared, it will be sine x cosine squared x. طيب. Now, see, do we have an integration for this? Yes, we do. It is minus cosine, right? Minus cosine x. Right. And
yes.
as you can see here, this part is f dash, and this is f to the power of 2. So the answer is going to be plus. ليش plus وهي minus؟ لا, because f dash with minus will be plus f to the power of 3 over 3. You remember this rule?
Yeah. Yes.
Ya salam. So that's why I'm going to write it minus cosine x plus, what is f in this question? It is cosine. So it's going to be cosine to the power of 3 x over 3 plus c. Okay, what if I used, instead of this rule, the rule that says have 1 minus cosine 2x? It will be like this. Sine x multiply half bracket 1 minus cosine 2x. Okay, but when I multiply this by this and this by this, it will be, I will take half out, but then sine by 1 sine x minus sine x cosine 2x. I will get the same answer, but I will not use the rule of f dash f squared. I will use the rule of, if you remember, when we have sine cosine. We discussed it last time, this one, sine cosine. I will get the same answer. You understand?
Yes.
I will get the same answer, but I think the way that we used was much better because it is easier and shorter. You understand? Because see, هذا الجزء خلاص, we can integrate it easily. And this, we have a rule for it and we can use it. Same thing. I want you to notice that this lesson is even and odd powers of trigonometric functions. We started with sine to the power of 4, cosine to the power of 4. And you saw how did we do the even power. We discussed the even. Then the odd power. See, the same thing will happen for cosine to the power of 5. It will be cosine x cosine squared x all to the power of 2 dx. Why did I do that? Because it is x to the power of 5. Okay, equal. integration of cosine x. Now, cosine squared x is 1 minus sine squared x all squared. I need you to understand this.
Yes, that cosine مش sine.
لا, sine. Because cosine is 1 minus sine. Cosine squared is 1 minus sine squared. Cosine x. Now open this by using smiley face. It's going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared x plus sine to the power of 4 x, right? dx. Now open. Multiply out, it will be cosine x minus 2 cosine x sine squared x plus cosine x sine 4x dx. Is it clear? Now,
Yeah.
cosine, can I integrate it now? Does it have integration? Yes.
Yeah.
It is sine x. هذه minus 2. تعال. هذه f dash وهذه f squared. هذه f dash وهذه f4. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
So it's going to be sine to the power of 3x over 3. Then the f in this question is sine, right? Plus sine to the power of 5x over 5 plus c. Now we will discuss tan and cotan. Tan and cotan. As you can see here, I did a summary for the rule. لاحظوا إذا كان for sine and cosine, if it is even, let's just say مثلا sine to the power of 4, we do it this way, and we use this substitution. While if it is, let's just say sine to the power of 5, I will take one sine alone and the rest like this. Then we will use this substitution.